Some news just coming in. Let's go straight to that. Asauddin Owaisi is ripping apart Pakistan for lecturing India on Karnataka hijab row. He says Malala was attacked in Pakistan. They failed to provide security to their girls and are now lecturing India. Owaisi further added, our girls will study here and we will guarantee them security.
पाकिस्तान के बारे में हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि मलाला पे हमला पाकिस्तान में हुआ, उसको वहां पर करना पड़ा। पाकिस्तान के संविधान के लिहाज से कोई गैर मुस्लिम वहां का वजीर आजम प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन सकता। हम पाकिस्तान के लोगों से कहेंगे इधर मत देखो, उधर ही देखो। तुमको तुम्हारे पास बलूचियों का प्रॉब्लम, तुम्हारे पास क्या क्या झगड़े हैं, तुम उसको देखो। ये देश मेरा, तुम्हारा नहीं है, हमारे घर का मामला। आप इसमें अपनी टांग या अपनी नाक मत अड़ाओ, जख्मी हो जाएंगी तुम्हारी टांग और नाक। तुमको इस्लाम के माने समझ में नहीं आए, हमको समझ में आ गए।
Strong words there from Asauddin Owaisi, Member of Parliament from Hyderabad. हमारे घर का मामला है, he says. Do not interfere, do not needle us. And we can protect our girls. As opposed to what you did with Malala Yousafzai, who had to leave Pakistan, remember, after the horrific attack by the Taliban years ago, when Yousafzai had advocated schooling for young girls. Our girls are safe and will study here. Ye hamara ghar ka मामला है, is what Asauddin Owaisi said. Listen in.
पाकिस्तान के बारे में हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि मलाला पे हमला पाकिस्तान में हुआ, उसको वहां पर करना पड़ा। पाकिस्तान के संविधान के लिहाज से कोई गैर मुस्लिम वहां का वजीर आजम प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन सकता। हम पाकिस्तान के लोगों से कहेंगे इधर मत देखो, उधर ही देखो। तुमको तुम्हारे पास बलूचियों का प्रॉब्लम, तुम्हारे पास क्या क्या झगड़े हैं, तुम उसको देखो। ये देश मेरा, तुम्हारा नहीं है, हमारे घर का मामला। आप इसमें अपनी टांग या अपनी नाक मत अड़ाओ, जख्मी हो जाएंगी तुम्हारी टांग और नाक। तुमको इस्लाम के माने समझ में नहीं आए, हमको समझ में आ गए।
Abhishek Mishra is getting asked more details on that story. No matter which side of the debate you really are on, Abhishek, there is a strong message that's really coming out from both sides, essentially, that Pakistan actually should be the last country lecturing India on what really is playing out in the state of Karnataka. Isn't it? It's hypocrisy just writ large when Pakistan lectures India.
Well, absolutely, Stan. With the kind of reactions which are coming in, it looks like that, the political war is on. And Asauddin Owaisi also, voicing along and giving such a statement, it's clear indication that how this whole issue is going to be, utilized as far as elections are concerned, that too not in Karnataka, but in other states, because it gives us a message which will indeed have an impact. But at the same time, there is a debate now. But this whole issue is surrounding a lot of questions, a lot of, acquisition by both the sides. But it looks like that it will take further course of time as far as, all these issues are concerned. But one thing is very clear with this issue, it has already taken a lot of attention, be at the questions over the BJP and how Asauddin Owaisi is now adamant on the fact it looks like that it is going to take a lot more political mileage as an issue, but indeed what happened is something which has already gained a lot of attention on the whole hijab versus the Bhagwa controversy. Yes.
Sheikh, thanks for getting us up to speed. With that, we have more news coming in. Let's go straight to that.